Hey guys, so today I want to do something different to get my mind off of all the craziness going on in the world, and it has been stressful at the clinic that I work at. So we are just going to play with makeup today and get our minds off of everything going on in the world. So I want to do something different than I have ever done before. I saw Sophie Floyd post this video and then a picture on her Instagram story of this look, and I was instantly obsessed. I'm like, you know what? I think I have a product that I can use to recreate this. So let's go ahead and give it a whirl. If you're new here and you end up liking this video and how this look turns out, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get started. On my face, I already have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Hyaluronic Moisturizer. And then of course, my favorite primer, the Kane & Austin Mattifying one. I'm gonna be going in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Light Beige. And I'm gonna blend this out with my Sedona Lace 480 brush because it is literally been years since I have used this brush, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna show it some love today. I actually do really love how this is blending out my foundation. All right, I've got this all blended out, and now I have fallen in love with this brush all over again. I have had these brushes since, I honestly don't even remember, maybe my junior year when I was working at Pick and Save and getting my first paychecks. Okay, so this is kind of random. I haven't used this in a while either. This is my Nars Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Light to Vanilla. Yeah, it has been a while since I have used this. Pretty sure it's expired. Probably not even healthy for my skin, but we're just, you know, I want to go for it. So here I go. I remember loving this concealer, but then, you know, you just kind of drift off and try new things and forget about your old things. I mean, yeah, it's old. I should probably throw this out. I do hate the fact that it's in a jar. It's hard to apply. So that alone would make me not repurchase this concealer. I got this new concealer brush. This is the Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter, but I found a new YouTuber that I just started watching like a week ago. So I will leave her name like somewhere around here. She used this to blend out her under eye concealer and like spot to spot conceal, and I was in love like with the way it turned out. So let's go ahead and give this a whirl. Yeah, this is looking really good. I forgot to say it's the FO3. I am so amazed. Like, that just blended it out so good. So I'm just gonna do the other eye really quick. All right, I have a new favorite brush. To set all of this, I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof Powder in the shade 02 Nude. I actually ran out of my Too Faced Peach Perfect Loose Powder a while ago, so I've been waiting until the Sephora sale to pick up another one of those. Contouring with my usual Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. I start with my nose and the Jaclyn J03 brush. Then for my cheekbones and my temples, I'm using the Colourpop F2 brush. I like to contour my temples because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it makes that area look a little bit slimmer and makes my cheekbones more of the focal point. It's probably just a placebo effect in all my mind, but you know, whatever. My usual new favorite that you guys keep seeing me use, the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in 02 Sunkissed. So if you are quarantined and bored, I will be leaving my most recent videos linked in the description box down below. My most recent one was a relaxing, stress-relieving makeup tutorial where I'm not talking, everything's just slowed down. I thought it turned out pretty cool and I'd like to do more in the future. So if you want to check that one out, that'll be the first one linked down below. I also recently went over products that are expensive and not worth it. My full face of affordable favorites. So all those will be down below if you're interested. For blush today, we are going to go in with the Burt's Bees in Shy Pink. For highlighter, I am using my MAC Cosmetics Post Modernist Peach. This is a skin finish highlighter and it is like, oh my gosh, so beautiful. I have been getting a lot of use and love out of this recently. And I specifically love to apply it with my Blinged Brushes F16 brush. I think it just applies it perfectly. This is perfect for when you just want a natural lit from within type of glow. I did a product shot of this for my Instagram before I even used it, and I was so happy with how that picture turned out that I posted. I actually posted a couple of them on my Instagram. So if you guys are into product shots, definitely follow my Instagram. It is Madeline's Makeup, just like my username on YouTube. I've been getting really into posting those. I just love the aesthetic of them, and I don't know, when I was trying to explain it to my mom, she's like, what the heck is aesthetic? That's such a word of our generation. For 90s babies, everything is aesthetic. It's all about it. For a little while now, I have been loving this Miss A-AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Medium Brown. This is a really amazing eyebrow pencil for like $1.55, I think. I love this product for more natural, like fluffy kind of looking brows. I just think this product makes them look way more natural instead of so precise. I actually have another order coming from Miss A, and I'm so excited to try some more stuff from them. I'm so bad at recording how I do my eyebrows. I'm like, don't look at me. oh my gosh. Just got a sharp pain in my back. I am falling apart. 22 going on 75. Can you guys already see what I mean by this eyebrow pencil though? It seriously looks like it is making your eyebrow hairs fuller instead of making them look drawn on. I really, really appreciate that. I mean, it took me some getting used to because this is what the product looks like. So that's different compared to the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. If you're familiar with that or have seen me use it in my past tutorials. This is just thicker and it allows me to do my eyebrows quicker if I stop talking right now and do my eyebrows. Okay, so there is the first one. Before, after. Before, after. I'm gonna do my other eyebrow off camera really quick so that I can speed up this video. It's time. Let's recreate this eye look. So this is the Colourpop Metallic Liquid Liner in the shade The Rose Standard. I have not used this until now. I was like, finally, I have a purpose and a reason to use this. We are first just going to do the top here. So I'm just starting like that. So you can see I'm just starting to flick out that wing right there. Now I'm going to connect that. So I just turned on my lights so that you guys could see this a little bit better and have the camera focus on it more. It's great because you can just be like random and messy once you get this outline in. I would have never thought to use this product for this look until I saw Sophie's post. I was like, oh my gosh, yes. One eye is done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, but speed it up. I'm gonna show up to my boyfriend's house later today and be like, hey, and he's gonna be like, wow, what the heck, looking good. No, he is always super appreciative of the looks that I create. He knows how much work and effort I put into what I create, and I love him so much. What do you guys think? I mean, I just think it looks awesome. Okay, let's move on. I do want to do just a thin line of black eyeliner. In Sophie's post, she is not wearing eyeliner or fake eyelashes. She's just wearing mascara, and if that's what you want to do, you totally can. But I want to amp it up a little bit. Alright, so I'm just going to go in with my Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. Like that. So I also lined my upper waterline with my black Colourpop Cream Gel Liner. So I'm just going to do a quick coat of mascara with my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. I'm so excited for the eyelashes I'm going to be using because I actually ordered these off of Windsor when I got this top too. I'll have this top linked down below as well. But these lashes are amazing. They were 50% off, so they were only $5. These are the Lurella Cardi lashes. I mean, they look beautiful. Quality looks like comparable to Lily lashes, which are $30. Look at that. So pretty. So I'm gonna pop these on and then we will move on to lips. Wow. That is a beautiful eyelash. I am completely sold and I will be buying more from this brand in the very near future. I mean, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? All right, so the eyes are done. Let's go ahead and move on to lips. So I just prepped my lips with the Versed Silk Slip Conditioning Lip Oil. So that's what I have on to start. And I'm gonna use the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Nude 1. And top it off with the Too Faced Melted Lipstick in Sugar. This was actually a TJ Maxx find for like 50% off or more than the regular price tag of what this would be at Sephora or Ulta. So I really lucked out on this one when I had the chance. I don't know if I should do a gloss or not. Okay, we're going for the gloss. I want to try something that I haven't used very frequently. This is the Colourpop and Kathleen Lights Moonchild Lip Gloss. Let's go for it. Just what I needed. All right, you guys, so this completes the look. I hope that you like how it turned out. I am really happy with it. I'm so glad that I was inspired to recreate Sophie Floyd's makeup look because I feel like it tapped into a different channel of creativity. I've never done anything like this before. It's kind of artsy and fun. I don't know. So if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. Give me a little thumbs up so I know you liked it. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I just hope and pray so hard every day that this COVID-19 is going to be going away sooner than later. I love you guys. See you next time.